Let's make aloo pulao. Add a cup of oil to a hot pan and let the oil crackle. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onion. Fry the onion until golden brown. When the onion turns brown, add a cup of water to the golden onions to bring out its color and then mix it well. After the color of the onions comes out, add cumin, cloves, bay leaves, black pepper, cinnamon stick, black cardamom and star anise. After adding all the hot spices, mix it well. Mix until the spice start releasing aroma. Then add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder. Then add sliced ginger in it and mix it well. Then add 3 medium-sized potatoes sliced and mix it well. After mixing, add green chilies and then add 2 sliced tomatoes. Then add 2.5 glasses of water in it. Then cover and cook until water boiling. When the water starts boil, add 1 kg of soaked rice in it. Cover and cook until water is absorbed on high flame. After the water of rice dries up, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. At low flame until the rice are cooked properly. Add green coriander for pleasant aroma. Then mix, serve and enjoy! So guys, if you enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz!